Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, today my group be talking about a very important topic. How we can address the risk for the social media use among teenagers. Social media is a powerful tool, but it's not used responsibly. It can pose a serious risk. This is a presentation will explore this risk and the best strategies to manage them. And now I want to introduce my group members. Okay, Nurul Atika binti Muhammad Sabri, nombor matrik 290231 and Nurul Natasha binti Muhammad Muhyiddin, nombor matrik 290494, Muhammad Azmi bin Abu Hussein 290409 and the last Muhammad Amirul Ikmal bin Arshad, nombor matrik 290184.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Amirul Iqmal bin Arshad, metric number 290184. So I will explain about introduction. Social media has become an essential part of teenage life. It helps in communication, learning, and self-expression. However, it also presents various challenges such as cyberbullying, privacy threats, and mental health concerns. The goal of the presentation is to understand the risks and explore ways to create a safer online experience for teens. So next, I will explain about risks of social media use. There are four major risks associated with social media use among teens. First, cyberbullying. Many teens experience harassment and bullying online, which can have several emotional consequences. Two, privacy concerns. Personal data can be exposed, leading to identity theft or online exploitation. 3. Mental health issue. Overuse of social media has been linked to anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. 4. Exposure to inappropriate content. Teens can come across harmful or misleading information that influences their thoughts and behavior.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Azmi bin Abu Hussein, matrix number 290409. Next is privacy and security measures. Privacy and security measures are critical in protecting personal information and ensuring the safety of users in various digital environments. Here, how we avoid our privacy and personal data from being hacked. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, and then adjust privacy setting to limit who can view their posts and personal data. Be cautious about sharing personal information online. Social media platforms must also enhance their security features to protect teen users from cyber threats. These measures help in maintaining confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, protecting from security threats. Okay, next, promoting mental health awareness. Promoting mental health awareness is crucial for reducing stigma, fostering understanding, and encouraging individuals to seek help when needed. Sometimes, social media can be negatively impact to our mental health. To prevent this, firstly, teens should be aware of how social media affect their emotion. Second, taking regular breaks from social media can reduce stress and anxiety. Lastly, school and communities should offer resources to help teens cope with online pressure. It's important to create a balance between online and offline life. By raising awareness, providing resources, and creating supportive environments, we can break down the stigma surrounding mental health and help people feel empowered to take care of their emotional well being.
Okay, I will talk about addressing cyberbullying and harassment. Cyberbullying is a serious issue, but we can take steps to prevent it. Social media platforms should implement strict anti-bullying policies. Team must report and block users who engage in harassment. Encouraging kindness and respect online can create a positive digital environment. By working together, we can make social media a safer space for everyone. Next is about encouraging positive online engagement. Instead of focusing on the negative aspect, teens should be encouraged to use social media for learning new skills and gaining knowledge, expressing creativity through art, music, and writing, engaging, engaging the digital activism and social causes. When used correctly, social media can be a powerful tool for a positive change. In conclusion, social media come with the risk, but by educating teens, involving parents, ensuring privacy, and promoting mental health, we can create a safer and healthier digital space. The key is a balance and responsible use. Work together to ensure the social media remain a tool for a growth rather than harm. Okay, thank you all.